Hi, my name is Rafael, I'm from Lorena, Brazil, and today I'm here to show you my work for the project 2 from CS50 Web. Like the last one, this work was made in Django, with a lot of Python, HTML, and CSS. The bigger difference, though, it is the use of databases, models, and migrations. For this project, I used 5 modules: user, category, auction, bid, and comment. We should click on create listing if we want to put an item to sell. We also should define a title and some description. After that, we need to set initial value so the users can place a bid. It required a URL for an image and choosing one or more categories as well. The seller is automatically pre-fulfilled with the name of the current user. All of the fields must be fulfilled. If not, an error message will be displayed to the user. The default route of the page lets users view all of the auction listings, including those that were closed by the owner without any bid and become unavailable, such as those that were closed with one or more bids and were sold. It's up to the owner to delete the unavailable and sold items so that they no longer appear on the main page. Moreover, if we are the owner of an item and we are logged in, the application displays our username preceded by the word "u" throughout the site, so that we know which are ours and which are not. Note that we can see for each listing important data such as image, title, description, current price, seller, and the date that it was published. Whatever, if we click on the blue button, the image or the title from any published product will view it in a specific page to that listing. On this page, we can see all details about the listing as well as some features that become available to us, such as adding to or removing from a watch list. If the current user is not the owner of an item, bids are allowed. The application identifies the first bid and that it must be at least equal to the starting bid defined by the seller, as well as identifying the other bids and that these must be greater than the previous ones. If the current user is the owner of an item, that is, the user is the one who created the listing, bids are not allowed, but two different functions are enabled instead. The seller can close and delete the auction. The seller can close the auction without any bids. If it does, the page will display all this information. In case the delete button is clicked, a specific page to delete an item will be opened. In order to avoid mistakes, the password will be required to do this action. If the password is entered correctly, the auction will no longer be displayed. If we try cheating, trying down the item, the program doesn't allow us. If the owner of an item closes an auction with bids, the name of the user who has won will be displayed. This user also will be alerted when the product is visited. Comments are allowed for all logged users. They will be shown in descending chronological order. Watchlist, bidding, and comment are functionalities that are not available to non-logged in users. There is a watchlist page which users can visit. This page displays all items that were added to it and all ordinary features like the view button and categories button, for instance. We can visit any category directly from the menu that opens when we click on Categories button at the top of the page. By clicking on All, a page with all categories will open for us. Django Admin Interface. We create a super user and our models will be available for viewing, adding, editing, and deleting. As a super user, we can add a comment and put the blame on any other user, for example. It's past 1 in the morning. I have been working on this exercise for the last 5 weeks. Maybe because I'm kind of dummy. My daughter is calling me Raphael and not daddy anymore. My wife forgot my name and just calls me love, man, thing. Hey, so thank you, Harvard.